हेलो चिल्ड्रन, आज की क्लास में हम लोग अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में प्रोसीड करेंगे और मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मोनोमियल विथ अ बाइनोमियल हम लोग ऑलरेडी कर रहे थे और कुछ क्वेश्चन हम लोग करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी विल डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू बाइनोमियल्स एंड बेस्ट क्वेश्चन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ए बी इंटू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर and evaluate it for a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 by 2. So at first we have to multiply it. Product, it means multiplication. So here it is a b within bracket a square plus b square. This is a binomial and this is a monomial. So multiplication of monomial with a binomial. So here it is AB within bracket a square plus b square. So AB is multiplied by a square plus AB is multiplied by b square. So AB into a square plus AB into b square. Here power of a is 1 and power of a is here 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 and b will remain only b plus here power of b is 1 and b 1 plus 2 b cube. So this is their product. Now we have to evaluate for a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 by 2. Just put the value. So a is equal to 2. So 2 cube into b is 1 by 2 plus it is 2 into 1 by 2 power 3. So 2 cube is 8 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into this is 1 by 8. 2 4 is 8 and 2 4 is 8. So this is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4, which means 4 1 by 4 is equal to 17 by 4. So this is the answer. Note it down. Second question is simplify. Second question is simplify a square b within bracket a minus b square plus ab square within bracket 4ab minus 2a square minus a cube b within bracket 1 minus 2b. Again it is multiplication of a monomial with a binomial because two terms are here, a minus b square. So terms can only be separated by plus and minus. So it is a binomial. So simplify this. So a square b, this is question number 2. A square b within bracket a minus b square plus ab square within bracket 4ab minus 2a square minus a cube b within bracket 1 minus 2b. So multiply this into this minus this into this. So a square b into a minus a square b into b square plus ab square into 4ab minus ab square into 2a square. Again minus a cube b into 1 and minus into minus plus. So plus a cube b into 2b. At first multiply it and open the bracket. Now here power of a is 1 and this 2 plus 1 is added. So which gives a cube b minus a, here power of b is 1. So a square 1 plus 2 b cube plus here 4 is here and a into a. So here is 1, here is 1, 4a square b power of b is 2 and here is 1. So 4a square b cube minus 2 power of a is 2 and here is 1 2a cube b square minus a cube b into 1, it will remain minus a cube b and plus 2a cube, power of b is 1 and 1, so b square. Now simplify the like terms. It is a cube b, here is minus a cube b, it is cancelled, and here it is a square b cube minus a square b cube, and here is 4a square b cube. So 4a square b cube minus a square b cube, 3a square b cube, and here it is plus 4a square b cube, and okay, this is 4a square b cube minus a square b cube, it is 3a square b cube, plus 2a cube b square minus 2a cube b square, cancelled. So answer is 3a square b cube. Note down. And next question is similar to question number 2. Question number 3 is similar to question number 2. Here only it is multiplication of a monomial with a binomial having 4 expressions. Here it was 1, 2 and 3. 3 expressions were there. Here it is 4 expressions. But question is same. So go on multiplying it. 4st into s minus 4st into t. So 4st into s minus 4st into t. Again minus 6s square into t. Minus minus plus 6 s square t square over now minus 3 t square into 2s square. So minus 6 t square s square minus into minus plus 3 t square s over now plus 2st into s, so 2s square, here is 1, here is 1, 2s square t minus plus into minus minus 2s t square, t into t, 2s t square. Now simplify the like terms, but here at first it will be 4s square t minus 4s t square t into t square minus 6 s square t plus 6 s square t square minus 6 t square s square plus 3 t square s plus 2 s square t minus 2 s t square. Now at first you see the term having literal factor s square t. So this is s square t, s square t, s square t. So these three are like terms. So 4s square t minus 6 s square t, it is minus 2 s square t and plus 2 s square t, cancel. Plus 2 s square t plus 4 square t, 6 square t, cancelled, all are cancelled. Now see the term having literal factor st square, st square, this is st square and here it is st square. So 3 st square and here it is minus 4 st square minus 2 st square minus 6 st square plus 3 st square. So minus 3 st square. Next part s square t square, s square t square. So only two terms are there which has literal factor s square t square. So 6, so it is cancelled. Both are 6 s square t square minus 6 s square t square. सो आंसर इज -3st²। और नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 2 बाइनोमियल्स एंड सम बेस्ट क्वेश्चन नोट डाउन। थैंक यू।